Class 11, we are continuing the chapter straight line in coordinate geometry. Now, this is the slope intercept form. What is the slope intercept form? The formation is slope intercept form of a straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. How it is coming? Now, same thing. In the previous video, this type of diagram already I have drawn. Again, I have drawn this. Now, xo x dashed and yo y dashed. These are the two axes. And AB is a straight line which makes an angle theta to the positive direction of x-axis. Let us take a point P with the coordinate xy on the line AB. Then from the point P, just PM drawn perpendicular from the point, and the straight line makes an intercept on the y-axis, and intercept value is C, makes an intercept C on y-axis. Okay, now from this point, this intercept OC, from this point C, E is drawn perpendicular to PM. Now what we get? We get CPE, a right angle triangle, and since this angle is theta and CE is parallel to x-axis, therefore angle PCE obviously theta. So tan theta equals to what? Then perpendicular by base, that is PE by CE. Now what is PE? PE means this is Y and this part is C. Okay, that is the intercepted part from the y-axis. This value is C. So what we will write? This is coming y minus C divided by CE. CE means this one. That is the coordinate of P with x coordinate of P. So y minus C by x. Okay, and tan theta we know that is equals to m. Normally we write slope or gradient of the straight line as m. So what we will write? Let's do the cross multiplication. What we will write? Y minus c is equals to mx, which implies y is equals to mx plus c. Now this is proved. This is known as slope intercept form. That means when slope is given and intercept on y-axis, this part is given, then the straight line equation of the straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, next is point slope form. What is point slope form? This is point slope form. Point slope form. Now all these forms we have to remember. Point slope form. That means when a straight line passing through the point x1, y1 having gradient m, then what will the equation? Equation will be y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. One point will be given and the gradient or slope will be given. Then this formation is known as point slope form. This is known as point slope form, and equation is y minus y1 equals to m into x minus x1. Next is 2-point form. 2-point form. What is 2-point form? 2-point form means when a straight line passing through 2 points. One is x1, y1, another is x2, y2. These are the 2 points, or joining the 2 points. What is the equation of the straight line? A straight line passing through 2 points, x1, y1 and x2, y2. Equation is, remember, y2 minus y1 by y1 minus y is equals to x2 minus x1 by x1 minus x. Okay, so this is the equation of a straight line passing through 2 points, x1, y1 and x2, y2. We have to remember all these forms. Next is intercept form. Intercept form. No need to rub the whole, only I will rub this diagram. Otherwise, x, so x dash and axis we need to draw. So repeatedly I won't draw. The same diagram we can use. Okay. Now what is the intercept form? Okay. Let AB, or we can write here A and this is B. A straight line AB intercepted on x-axis A units. This is A units, and intercepts y-axis of B units. Okay. Then what is the coordinate of this point? Coordinate of this point will be A0. And what is the coordinate of this point? Point of intersection on the y-axis will be 0, B. Okay, then this type of equation, what is the equation of the straight line AB? This is line is no this formation is known as intercept form. That means when x intercept given, here x intercept is A and y intercept is B. X intercept A and y intercept B. The formation will be x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. This is very important formation. Remember this. X by A plus y by B is equal to 1. Next is normal form. Next is normal form. Okay. Let us draw again here. For normal form, x o x dash, y o y dash. Okay. A straight line like this, and from the origin a perpendicular is drawn, that is P, to the straight line AB. A straight line which intercepts x-axis and y-axis. X-intercept is there, y-intercept is there, and from the origin to that straight line the perpendicular distance is given P. Okay, and this perpendicular makes an angle alpha with x-axis positive. The perpendicular makes an angle alpha to this x-axis. Then what is the equation of the straight line? Equation will be x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equals to P. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. Now this is very, very important how it's coming. X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. O, say perpendicular drawn. Okay, and this is perpendicular mean this is 90 degree. Okay, and since this angle is alpha, so what will be this angle? This angle will be 90 minus alpha. This part will be 90 minus alpha. This angle will be 90 minus alpha. This angle is 90 degrees. So what will be the angle A, this angle? If I write this angle A, what will be the angle A? A will be 90 minus alpha plus 90 plus angle A. Sum of these three angles equals to 180 degree. Okay. So 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. So 180 minus alpha. So angle A will be 180 minus 180 plus alpha. So this is coming alpha. So angle A, this is again, this is equals to alpha. Now we have to find what is this angle. We have to find from the triangle this what is the cos alpha and what is sin alpha. Now find cos alpha. Cos alpha will be what? Cos alpha will be ON by OB. This is P, right? Okay, so this is equals to ON means P, so P by OB. Okay, therefore OB equals to what? P by cos alpha. Got it. Similarly, from this triangle ONA, from triangle ONA, what we will write? From ONA, sin alpha. Sin alpha will be ON by OA. That is equals to P by OA. Okay, therefore OA will be P by sin alpha. Okay. Now we know, since this is the intercept form, the equation is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to P. That means intercept form, if we make it in intercept form, then what we will write? X cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P, just divide by P, and this is coming 1. Then what we will write? This will be x by P by cos alpha plus y by P by sin alpha is equals to 1. Okay, x by P by cos alpha plus y by P by sin alpha is equal to 1. Okay. Now from slope intercept, then what we will write? Here also we can write x by OB plus x by y by OA is equals to 1. Now OB means x by P by cos alpha, y by OA means P by sin alpha is equals to 1. So it will give us x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equals to P. Just put the value of OA and OB here. We will get this equation. That means then it will be proved. Okay. Next we will start the exercise, coming with new video.